Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. What is a backyard if not for birds, butterflies and bees? Being next to a wood and a pond can be a blessing. We're often swarmed by a flock of blackbirds that chirp, eat, socialize and go year to year. In a lazy summer day, that brings in a bit of a joy. A common tern. Every summer, one or two pairs of swans make the pond their home. A great blue heron chilling on the fence. Not all that innocent. They come to eat my fish. A brave one. The woodpecker pecks and pecks. Turkeys. Sunbathing a great blue heron next to the pond. A hawk looking for food. The dude chilling on the fence is hungry again. The woodpecker keeps at it. A yellow warbler swings by. A bee on my water lily. Monarch butterflies frolicking. Winter is here. Canada geese migrating. Be back in summer. These guys are going north. Must be confused. A group of common starling were eating snow outside of my window. I said them hi. They gave me the look. Okay guys, I'll leave you alone.